How can I troubleshoot my boat's shore power? Imagine pulling up to the dock and plugging in your boat, only to find no power flowing. It can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps, you can figure out what's going wrong. First, check the power outlet at the dock. Make sure it's live by testing it with a multimeter or an AC non-contact voltage tester. If there's no voltage, notify the marina staff because the problem might be on their side. Next, examine your shore power cable. Look for cracks, corrosion, or burn marks, especially near the plug ends. Salt water and vibrations can cause corrosion or loose connections, which might lead to power loss or sparks. Clean any dirty contacts with electrical cleaner or replace the cable if it's damaged. Then, check your boat's circuit breakers. These are usually located near the electrical panel or in a dedicated breaker box. If a breaker has tripped, reset it by flipping it fully off and then back on. Overloading the circuit by running high amperage appliances like air conditioners or water heaters can cause these trips. Reduce your load if needed. Also, inspect the shore power plug and inlet for signs of arcing or scorching. Arcing happens when connections are loose or resistive, and it can cause failures without tripping the breaker. If you see damage or scorching, replace the affected parts immediately. To be thorough, test for ground faults or current imbalances. Use a sensitive ammeter to check the hot wire and neutral wire, making sure there's no leakage current. Devices like electric shock drowning detectors trip if there's current leaking into the water, so if these trip, or if you notice any imbalance, it's best to call a qualified marine electrician. Persistent issues like breakers tripping instantly or no power despite all checks suggest a wiring problem. Electrical systems on boats can be complex and dangerous, so don't hesitate to seek professional help. Troubleshooting your shore power involves verifying power at the dock, inspecting cables and connections, resetting breakers, checking for damage or arcing, testing for ground faults, reducing electrical load, and calling an electrician if needed. Following these steps keeps your electrical system safe and reliable, ensuring your boat stays powered up and ready for your next adventure.